And so what's the secret to efficiently proofing your blog post? Well, I've got good news for you today. What I'm going to recommend doesn't include going back to college to take all those classes you skipped. It doesn't include reading a bunch of books about punctuation and grammar and sentence structure. All those things are important. So do your research. You can find some articles online. You can probably take even some courses here on Udemy from other instructors about how to do those things because they're important, but they're not primary for growing your blog. There's actually two great softwares that I recommend that will do most of this stuff for you. It will do most of the legwork for proofing your blog post for you for absolutely free. Absolutely free. And so let me actually recommend both of these to you, show you how to access them, and let you know why they're so helpful. So the first one is called Grammarly. And if you go to Grammarly.com, you'll open it up and you'll probably see a page that looks something like this. And so one of the things it says on their website is that Grammarly makes sure everything you type is clear, effective, and mistake-free. And this is actually exactly what it does. So if you'll add it to your computer, you can download it as an app on your computer. You can add it to Google Chrome if that's what you use as an add-on, and I recommend doing that because if you add it as a Google Chrome add-on, it will actually check everything you write in your web browser. So say you use WordPress or use Medium, or you're actually posting on your social media, Facebook page, and you're wanting to share your articles on there, it will ensure that you do not make a mistake as you write. It's not perfect, but it's very close. It will make sure that you don't leave commas out, that you don't leave periods off, that you don't misspell anything, and I'm telling you, it will make your writing so much better, so much more mistake-free. And I definitely recommend you download this. Just go to Grammarly.com. It's absolutely free, and I recommend that you get signed up with that as soon as possible. So the second thing I recommend for proofing your blog post is called the Hemingway app. So if you'll go to the Hemingway app and look it up, you can find it. And what this is basically an English teacher watching over your shoulder. I mean, it's pretty close to that. As you write and put stuff in this editor here, you actually have to copy and paste what you've written. That's what I recommend you do, is copy and paste it into this editor here. And it will actually highlight things that are complex, that are too wordy. It'll either put it in yellow or red to let you know how severe the issue is. If it's very hard to read, it'll be red. If it's a little bit hard to read, it'll be yellow. But you can make edits on the fly, and as you make those edits, it will rescore your content. I mean, it's amazing how helpful it is. It will even give you recommendations on how to simplify your wording. And so maybe you're being too formal with your wording, maybe you're using too big of words. It will actually give you a readability score, and it'll show you what grade level you're writing at. And so maybe you need to lower your grade level a little bit. It actually has a word counter on there too. It shows you how to avoid those pesky adverbs, and so it has a ton of different features that I recommend that will make your writing a lot better.